If you've been to Thai restaurants, you may have seen this table sauce is put out there on every table. If not, it is one condiment you should try. Kind of like salt and pepper in the West, to enhance the flavors of every dish, and how to make it really simple and easy. So let's make it. Prik Nam Pla. For ingredients, we need a lime, a couple cloves of garlic, and a few Thai chilies. You can use bird's eye chilies if you want it more spicy, but I think these are already spicy enough. I'm using both red and green. The red chilies give more spicy flavor, and the green give more spicy essence, also more colorful. You can use only red or only green, not a big deal, up to you. Sugar and fish sauce, that's all. So we're gonna squeeze out some lime juice. For this sauce, actually you can also add some shallots if you want, for more fragrance. Or can just keep it as simple as chilies and fish sauce, since prik means chilies in Thai and nam pla means fish sauce. We add more elements to blend it not to be too sharp salty and sharp spicy. We're making it like restaurant's version today. The amount of lime juice and fish sauce depends on how much you want to add. For the perfect taste, how many tablespoons lime juice you add, double up the fish sauce. Chop the chilies. I'm gonna put the whole thing. You can reduce the spice by soaking the chopped chilies in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the seeds fall down and the water dilutes the spice. Slice the garlic thinly. This is a small technique to keep the chili colors bright, because once you put everything in for a while, the chilies can go darker colors. We're gonna soak them in lime juice for about a minute. Normally I don't measure, but to make it easy to follow, I'm measuring. So I have 2 tablespoons and a little bit lime juice here. Mix the chilies and garlic in the lime juice and leave it for a minute. After that, double up the fish sauce, so 4 tablespoons fish sauce, but don't need to go too serious with the amount really. You want less salty, add a little less. You want more salty, add a little more. Simple as that. Everyone likes it differently, but the main flavors should be salty and a little spicy. And to smooth everything, put a half teaspoon sugar. Some people might put monosodium glutamate or MSG, but I'll go for sugar. Now just mix it up until sugar melts. And that's it, easy peasy. You can keep in a container with a lid in the fridge for about a week, but better making it fresh and a little bit by bit at a time. Now you have your Prik Nam Pla to go on top of any Thai food. Hope you enjoy and see you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ